Myself, Maniandan. Today we are going to discuss about production planning and control. Introduction. It is a predetermined process. Production planning and control are the two strategies that are working together in every manufacturing unit. Production planning and control is a process that plans, manage, and control the allocations of human resources, raw materials, and machineries to achieve maximum efficiency. See this picture, the production is from raw material into finished goods, the process under the control of productions. In production, having some problems in planning departments gives a solution for that problem. Then next one is control. Controls you control all the process in production and manufacturing units. Next, definitions of production planning and control. First one, production. Productions is the transformations of raw material into finished goods. Planning looks ahead, anticipates possible problems, and decides in advance as how the production carried out in the best way. Next, control. Control makes sure that the programmed productions in constantly maintained. Next, so what is the importance of production planning and control? So it is necessary to improve the organization for regular and timely delivered. So that means process for better utilization of resources, all resources, man, machine and material. These all resources having uses better utilization. Next, it helps to achieve better supplier communication for raw material procurement and reduce investment for inventory purposes, reduce production cost by proper estimation and increase the efficiency. That means profit margin. Next, smooth flow of product without any interruptions. Make sure the proper quality and quantity of equipments, raw materials, etc. are available during production times, etc. to ensure the capacity utilization is aligned with forecast demand. This picture you clearly the importance of production planning and control, improve organization with regular and timely delivered, and to achieve the better supplier communications of raw material, reduce investment for inventory purposes, reduce production cost with proper estimation and increase efficiency, smooth flow of production without any interruptions, proper quality quantity of equipments or raw materials into finished goods. Next one, functions of production planning and control. Yeah, production planning and control consist of many functions. The various functions are as follows. First one, forecasting, product design, process planning, routing, material control, tool control, loading, and scheduling. We'll discuss one by one are as follows. First one, forecasting. Forecasting is the process of making predictions of future data, that is type, quantity, quality, sales, based on the past data by analysis of trends. Every manufacturing enterprise surviving on its ability to access with reasonable accuracy the market trends survival year ahead. Next, forecasters will able to make use of sales trends, but this must be considered in the light of expectation introduced of new materials, fashion, and technological changes, policy of competitors, unseasonable weather, economics situations of countries and foreign markets. Next, forecasting decides, see this picture. Forecasting decides how many units to produce during a specific time periods to avoid the extra cost of storage and reduce the chance of making outdated products. So a sales forecast should be accurate, easy to understand, and economical at the same time. So forecasting plays an important role in product development in future. Next, product design. Before starting to manufacturing a new product or improve a new product, it is essential to design the product first. Design department modified and extend the range of an original idea. The design department consists of designers, engineers, and draftsmen. See this in following below pictures. See this. Design department includes designers, engineers, and uh, draftsmen. Next, product design deals with the form and with both form and function. From form design takes care the shape of the product, and functional deals with its working. See this. Forms gives shape, function gives working. For a new and improved product design, ideas comes from better product planning, which is done by R&D department. So design departments includes design a product and complete a new product development. Next one, process planning. Process planning is the preparations of detailed planning on how to manufacturing a product. Thus, it is necessary to plan the process. Process planning determines the most economical way to perform an operations or number of operations to complete the manufacture. It takes drawing and other specification as input, which shows what to be done, what to be made, and forecast or which indicates the product qualities to be manufactured. Next one, routing. Routing lays down the flow of work in the plant. It determines what works need to be done, how to be done, and when to be done. For a raw material into finished products, routing decides the path and sequence of operations to be performed. In production, the layout is not required because the equipments are laid according to the sequence of operations. But where every time a new job is coming, route sheet is to be has to be revised, and this involves a greater amount of work and experience. This is the flow of work into the plant, that is called routing, and what work we need to be done, how to be done, when to be done, that is sequence of operations path, that is called routing. Next one, material control. Material controls is the managerial activities related to giving instructions to ensure maintaining adequate quality and quantity of the material for uninterrupted production process, with the objectives of minimizing material cost. Material controls includes inventory control, cost of production, and planning of materials, purchase procedure, transportation, etc. Inventory control is restricted to the stock desired level, whether they are raw materials, work in progress, or finished goods, with the object of minimizing the cost. See this, to maintain the adequate quality and quantity for minimizing the material cost. Next one, tool control. Tool control is the process of determining tool requirements, procuring new tools, and controlling tools once they have produced. Tool control to ensure that the right tool will be available at the same time of production at the time of production. Last time resulting from incomplete tool planning can be expensive as well as causing or to delay. In order to implement tool control, it is important to standardize the tool within an organization. That is tool requirements, procuring new tools, and controlling the tools. Next one, loading. Loading can be defined as the study of the relationship between the load and capacity of the workplace. Loading is the assignment of work given to the labor and machinery without specifying what work when the work need to be Done. Objective of loading is to maintain the up-to-date picture of the available capacity of the plant. The information provided by loading is used to ensure the efficient utilization of the plant and manpower. It helps to set the delivery date. Loading is the used to assist in future planning of purchase of new assets. See this loading. Loading can be defined as study of relationship between load and capacity of the workplace. So assignment without specifying when work needed to be done. Next one, scheduling. Scheduling means when one what sequence the job will be done. Scheduling deals with the job orders and machines. It decides which orders will be taken on which the machine department and which operator. Scheduling of the production system depends on the external factors like customer demand, delivery date, stock of goods already lying in the retailers. Scheduling affect the internal factors like the availability of the machine, equipments, and capacity, availability of the manpower, stock of the finished goods within the plants, etc. These are the functions of production planning and controls. Thank you.